Okay, so your man Zaze wants me to record the body. So, here you have it. Hyoid bone, which is this white bone underneath here. This is the thyroid cartilage, the thyroid gland, lungs, and we are looking at, this is the right lung, this is the left lung. As you can see, because we're in anatomical position, you have the liver, the stomach, all of the intestines. Down here in the leg, the green glob is a lymph node with lymph vessels. The red piece here is the femoral artery and the greater saphenous veins. Greater omentum, which is the cheese. Small intestine and anything surrounding the small intestine is the large intestine. If we remove the left, hopefully, and right lungs, you can now see the heart. In the heart, you have the superior vena cava and the ascending aorta, which leads up. Here is the left common carotid, the red one, it's artery. The right common carotid, which is the red one. Right jugular, the blue vein. Left jugular, the blue vein. The branch that goes underneath the piece right here that looks like a tooth or a marshmallow is the subclavian. So we have the left subclavian vein with the left subclavian artery, right subclavian vein with right subclavian artery. The little blue and the white segmented area right in here, that is the trachea. Lift the heart. This thing that looks like a tamale is the esophagus. We have more trachea, but it splits, and right at the split it's the bifurcation of the trachea. Let's take the liver. Turn the liver upside down. The big green blob is the gallbladder, which leads up to this little small piece right here, which is it's still green, that is the common bile duct. The purple piece is the portal vein. This is, if we put it upright as it would be in the body, so this right here is the inferior vena cava. Where the vena cava of the heart sits, well, the heart sits here, and you have the vena cava that sticks through this, see right here, this little hole right there, that's the foramen of the vena cava. You have your stomach. Underneath the stomach, you see the abdominal portion of the esophagus. Remember, the esophagus was the tamale that comes from the mouth, goes into the esophagus. Here you have your pancreas. If we remove this intestinal block here, you can see the spleen and the left and right kidneys. On top of the kidneys are your left and right adrenal glands. Abdominal aorta is the red one. This is also abdominal or inferior vena cava. At the split here, the red split, you can go right and left, left, right, and that is the common iliac artery. The blue one is the common iliac vein. Down here is the bladder with your, with your intestines. If you turn it over, it's easier to see that this is the appendix. So from appendix, it ascends, goes across and transverses. So we're at the large intestine, and we're talking about the intestine that's also called the colon. The descending colon. And I think maybe that's just about it. So have fun studying. Bye.